9, 8, 25. We're trying to adjust this washer because it's not balanced when you wash it. So one of those legs on the bottom needs to go up or down. And me and my buddy Will is trying to figure out how we're going to lift this thing with a 2x4 or how we're going to get it in there. And my handyman Oscar, he came up with like the coolest tool ever. Looks like it's older than him. And you can put it in there and lift up your washer and dryer. Look at that. Who would have knew they made a washer and dryer jack specific? He's using it in real time. Oh my gosh. Wow, me and Bill are trying to find different wrenches. Yeah, trying to figure it out. He's just using his hand. Wow, and he's the only one person who doesn't need another person lifting up with him. I don't know, Will. We might as well just stop learning about cars and go straight to housing.
Yeah. Yeah. I need 2 screws.
Oh. You think that's the problemo?
Yeah.
Oh, the no Baja problem?
No, it's here.
Alto.
Yeah.
Oh, 2 screws, huh?
What kind of screws?
No special, regular.
Regular, yeah.
Okay, let me go find regular.